India has issued a note warning to activate a high-value strategic firing zone off Campbell Bay in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands for a firing exercise between 6th to 7th April. After the US F-15 was shot down by Iranian air defense, an A-10 aircraft and MQ-9 Reaper drone were also shot down during the rescue effort, while 2 Black Hawk helicopters were also struck by Iranian fire as well.
They have no anti-aircraft equipment. Their radar is 100% annihilated. We are unstoppable as a military force.
A US CH-47 Chinook helicopter in Kuwait was targeted by an Iranian drone yesterday. Lucknow-based Hoverit is setting up a new 55,000 square feet facility in UP Defense Industrial Corridor for the production of 2,000 km range Divyastra Mark II loitering munitions. Indian Air Force is all set to order 2,500 software-defined radios worth 5,000 crore rupees, enabling secure real-time communication across aircraft WACS and ground networks. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has launched the Drishti Challenge to develop an indigenous end-to-end ship design software platform, targeting dependence on costly foreign tools used for hull design, structural engineering and performance optimization. The CATS Hunter rear-launched cruise missile will begin captive carriage trials in late 2026, which is a 300 km range low observable cruise missile developed under Hindustan Aeronautics CATS program. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh laid the foundation for a large cavitation tunnel facility at DRDO's Naval Science and Technological Laboratory that will enable in-house testing of propulsion, noise reduction, and stealth systems, reducing reliance on foreign facilities. HAL Chief has said that Hindustan Aeronautics is deliberately avoiding expendable drone segments like the Iranian Shahed class loitering munitions, leaving low-cost drone development to Indian startups and private firms. India is developing an air-dropped canisterized swarm system, enabling transport aircraft like C-17, C-130J and C-295 to deploy long-range swarm munitions without major modifications. It will have a range of 500 kilometers, a warhead of 30 kilograms, suitable for high-value targets like command centers, radar sites, and air defense systems. India's Project 77 Indigenous nuclear attack submarines program is progressing toward Keel around 2028, with 6 submarines planned to boost long-endurance underwater strike capability. The Ministry of Defense has issued an RFI for new-generation air defense guns with ammunition, aimed at strengthening the Indian Army's short-range air defense against drones, loitering munitions and low-flying aircraft. The program will enhance point defense for critical assets, integrating advanced fire control systems, electro-optical sensors, radar cueing, and programmable ammunition to counter high-speed low-radar cross-section swarm-based threats. France's Rafale F-5 program has hit a major roadblock, as the United Arab Emirates has withdrawn from participation, forcing France to bear the full €5 billion development cost. The UAE had offered around €3.5 billion in exchange for joint intellectual property rights and access to sensitive black box optronics technologies, but negotiations collapsed after France refused to share core systems, prioritizing sovereign control. The French Ministry of the Armed Forces has now decided to fund the program independently, ensuring continuity, but increasing financial pressure on the project. This UAE episode clearly reinforces France's stance on restricting access to critical technologies, and there is a possibility that development costs could be offset through export customers like India, potentially increasing acquisition or upgrade costs for India over time. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.